October 1st, and the smoke is still here in Grants Pass, Oregon. Today I'm going to be giving you all updates on all the fires in Oregon and how contained they are, so stick around. Yep, the fires are burning in California still pretty good, and you can even look directly at the sun. Now I'm going to take you on a time-lapse drive and give you the updates. Oregon fire updates, everybody. I'm just going to give you guys a little update on the fires in Oregon. There's Archie Creek in Umpqua National Forest. Its size is 131,542 at 76% contained. There's Birchie Creek in Willamette National Forest. It's burnt 192,848,000. That's 58% contained. There's Brattain in the Fremont Winema National Forest. It burned 50,951,000 acres and it's 98% contained. There's Lion's Head in Warm Springs Agency. It's burned 204,367 acres and it's 37% contained. There's North Cascade Complex in Molalla Unit. It's burnt 2,584 acres and it's 98% contained. There's Oregon WIF fire in Willamette National Forest. It burned 173,094 acres and it's 67% contained. There's Riverside in Mount Hood National Forest. It's burned 138,000 acres and it's 37% contained. And there's South Obenchan Medford Unit. It's burnt 32,671 acres and it's 96% contained. And there's Stilson, Umpqua National Forest. It is burnt 9,974 acres and it's 69% contained. There's a 242 in the Fremont Winema National Forest. Burnt 14,473 acres and it's 97% contained. And then there's the White River Mount Hood National Forest. It's burned 17,383 acres and it's 87% contained. California has way more fires, and that's where most of Oregon's smoke is coming from. I just like to thank God for the firefighters and all the first responders. They did an amazing job here in Oregon. I'll leave a link below for all the people that lost their houses in fires. There was devastating now in Oregon. Yeah, the fire just went straight through the city by Talent and Phoenix, and it just devastated everything. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can help those people out and donate some money. But I just like to thank the firefighters and thank God for them, because they're doing an amazing job and they've done an amazing job, and it's really hard to fight fires in these mountains that we have. But they were born here. Oregon is an amazing place, and thank you for taking care of it for us.
Yo, 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 yo.